Alright guys, now that it's summer, I finally have time to make more videos, and I'm gonna paint this. This has been long overdue, so we're gonna get the paint cans out right now. Alright, so here's my brother's Mustang and my dad's Mustang, if you haven't known that. And I'm Corbin Randall if you're new to the channel. Alright, so here we got our spray cans. So what colors do we have? A lot of people voted for gold. Do we have gold? Do we have gold, green, red, any of those colors? I mean, I know we have red, but do we have green or gold? We're gonna check up in here. Alright, our second batch of cans. What do we got up here? Oh, we got a green too. That's green, right? But we don't have a gold?
I don't think so.
Do we need to put a primer on it, or
What are you gonna do with it?
paint it?
No.
Alright, so like and comment if you want me to do a video on my brother's Mustang. I know the push for Mustang videos is pretty strong. Alright, so right now we got the cardboard, we got the paint, and we're going to set up right over here. Alright, we're going to shake this up, take this over to here. Alright, this is my dad filming, by the way. Oh yeah, that looks really pretty.
You shake it more.
Shake it more. Tell me when. Now?
Yeah, spray some and then shake. If you roll it over on it, it's gonna run.
What?
It's gonna run if you go too heavy. I'll let that dry.
Well, hold on.
You don't want to hold it upside down
Why?
because the paint won't come out. Just go around to the other side.
Okay. That looks good. You see anything I need to do?
No. Stop. Let dry.
Alright. Let me get it. Alright, so other than some paint on my finger, that is the top half of the exhaust, and we will get the next half very soon. Alright, my mom's gonna help me film the rest of the video, so here you go, Mom. Alright, so this is what we got so far. We're just gonna try and get this other end. We're gonna spray paint this right over there, so let me get the spray paint. Don't, what are you doing? Why do you call it? That pretty?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Cute.
Oh no. Stop it. There we go. I got it. Alright everyone, so we're gonna let this dry right here, but so far that looks pretty dang good, don't you think?
Break it.